All right, to get started grading, we first need an existing surface to reference. So we're going to right click on surfaces over here and create surface. And we're going to call it EG, existing ground. Hit OK, and you'll notice that under surfaces, we now have EG. So if we hit the drop down, we can go down to definitions, and we can add all these things to it to make our surface. So what we're going to use is break lines, and most surveyors, if you turn on all the layers, lay on, lay thaw, there we got some tri lines here. So I'm going to isolate this layer, lay ISO, and just get the tri lines here. Select all of them. And my computer is going slow now. There we go. All right, right click on break lines, add. Since this is the only thing that's going to make up my existing surface, I'm not going to worry about a description here. Weeding factors aren't really going to matter for this case. The supplemental factors, we'll get into that a little bit later, but we'll leave them there for now. I usually do a little higher than that, but it's just going to be more accurate that way. So hit OK, and that adds all these to our surface, and this is just random things that pop up every time. Layer P. And now we have our surface. There it is. Now that is way better than just adding your contours to create your existing surface, because as you can see, we've got our break lines in here making up this curb. We've got the actual drive cut perfectly ready to tie in any grading that we do. The surveyor did a really good job. You can see the steps there. Nice looking retaining wall. Basically every spot elevation that he shoots while he's out there getting this topo is going to go into our surface, which is exactly what we want when we start grading and getting precision. All right, so now we can just take this surface here, and you can do a Control-Shift-C and copy it at 0, 0, 0, and paste it directly into your working drawing to begin grading. And that's it.